All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset any Meshtastic device on any operating system, whether you have Mac, Linux, or Windows. The flash.meshtastic.org is a web page from Meshtastic which makes factory resetting, or the term they use, factory erase, very simple, fast, and easy. It's so much easier than in my previous video. I'm doing this on a Mac because Steve, he asked a question, hey, do you have any tutorials for macOS? I didn't, now I do. So Steve, thanks for your comment, and I hope this video helps you out. So, there are two ways to get to the flash.meshtastic.org webpage. The first way is just to simply type flash.meshtastic.org into your URL, that top bar. The other way is to navigate to it. To navigate to it, we're going to start off at the meshtastic.org homepage. On that left side menu, we're going to click on Flash Firmware. From there, our device is a T-Echo, which is an NRF52 device. We're going to click on that option. From there, we're going to scroll down where it says Factory Erase. I use the term Factory Reset because that's the term a lot of people are familiar with. We're going to click on that. On this page, the top left, you'll see Flasher. You can click on that link. It'll take you to flasher.meshtastic.org. This is also the page to see if we're using the most up-to-date stable firmware, which you can see at the bottom is 2.2.22.404. All right, back to the Flasher page. It's 3 simple steps. Plug in the device. We have the device plugged in, as you can see here. After the device is plugged in, we're going to select our device. Ours is the T-Echo, so we're going to scroll on down to the T-Echo. Next, we're going to choose our firmware, which we just saw previously. The most recent one was 2.2.22.404. The latest firmware should be at the top. Now to flash the device, very simple. Select the flash button. Now, in this, there's 3 small steps. You have to enter or trigger DFU mode. Most people aren't going to call it that. You have to enable bootloader mode on the device, which if you watch my last video, you'd push that top button twice on the device. Once you push that button, if you go over to your Finder on macOS, you should see a new device pop up on that list. Once you see that device is there, mine is named TechnoBoot. We are then going to do step 3, which is download the UF2 file, which will factory reset the device after we download it and just copy it to that new drive. All right. As you can see here, our device is flashing. It's now beginning the step of factory resetting. This can take anywhere between 15 seconds to around 5 minutes. If your device is not reset in 5 minutes, either the file did not copy over properly or something went wrong. The file transfer can that can take also 5 minutes. Mine took around 30 seconds after the device started flashing. The transfer took about 2 minutes. All right. As you can see here, the device is reset. To check if your device has successfully reset, we're going to go back to Meshtastic.org, hit the Get Started button. From Get Started, go back to that left menu, open up where it says Software. From that drop down, select Web Client, and then number 2, client.meshtastic.org. We're going to go to New Connection. We're not going to use HTTP. We're not going to use Bluetooth. We're going to use Serial. The device is already plugged in. It just makes it simpler and quicker. We're now checking to see if there's any peers. There are no peers, which is good. We previously had multiple peers set up. So the fact that the peers have been wiped off is a good sign. Let's check for messages. There are no more messages. All right. So we have successfully reset this device. The recording didn't catch it, but you'll have an option to choose which device to pick from. Pick the one that starts with T-Go. It should be fairly obvious which device to choose from. My options were Bluetooth or T-Go. That's all to it. Again, this works on Mac, this works on Linux, this works on Windows. If this video helped you, like it, comment. If you need help with an IT issue, comment. I'll see what I can do. As always, thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Don't die. And I'll catch you in the next video.